Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best Ka-bar knives for tactical, that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Ka-bar USMC Serrated Edge Knife. The USMC Serrated Edge Ka-bar combat knife is the classic that many admire and all know. The original Mark II combat knife had the same shape and most of the same stats. This variant's black powder-coated blade and serrated edge make it ideal for survival situations. A badass 7 inches blade anchors the unit. Such a big blade can be used to perform a range of bushcraft functions like chopping, slicing, splitting wood, or skinning. Made with 1095 Crovan, it should be next to unbreakable. And even when it gets dull, you can still saw with the serrations. Moving on at number 4, we have the Ka-bar TDI Pocket Strike Knife. The TDI Pocket Strike may not look like a traditional Ka-bar, but its lean, mean profile constitutes a tactical advantage. A flat plastic sheath helps the knife conceal inside your pants. The ring loop helps users deploy it quickly. The ergonomic handle features a moderate finger groove for the first finger. What else can you say? The TDI Pocket Strike just looks like a fighting knife. Its stout, 3.2, clip point blade looks aggressive and unbreakable. A generous bolster helps keep the user's hand safely clear of the action on the edge. And its minimalist handle helps create an overall downturned shape, with a sharp thumb rise and a finger groove for leverage. At number 3, we have the Ka-bar Dozier Folding Hunter Knife. The first time I pictured a Ka-bar folding knife, nothing came to mind. In fact, I wasn't aware they existed. But I'm glad they do because the lightweight Dozier looks like a winner. Zytel handle scales support an AUS 8A black-coated blade. Various colors are available. The Dozier Folding Hunter is far and away from my favorite Ka-bar knife for EDC. If I didn't already have so many pocket knives, I'd be interested to try them out. I like the simple construction and blade shape, and I love the lightweight. At 1.5 ounces, you'll never know the Dozier is there until you need it. At number 2, we have the Ka-bar Becker Short Drop Point Knife. Interested in an all-purpose Ka-bar camping knife? Check out the Becker Short Drop Point Knife. With a robust but simple 4 3/8 drop point blade, it's equipped for a variety of backcountry tasks. The ultra-mid handle is contoured for comfort, and a MALL-compatible sheath adds to the utility. The simple fixed blade knife should work just as well for chopping vegetables as splitting log rounds. Its 1095 Crovan blade probably won't wow users for sharpness, but it promises to be tough over the long haul. And finally at number 1, we have the Ka-bar USSF Spacebar Knife. Okay, is this a joke? That's what I thought when I saw Ka-bar's line of Space Force knives. It turns out they're very real, and they might even be the USA's last line of defense in outer space. Cutely designated the Spacebar, the first outer space knife I've ever examined is here. So why do photos of this knife make it look like something a Lego scuba diver would carry? It's partially because the knife has a gray powder coating on the blade. The gray color resists outer space radiation, according to our sources. It's also got a sky blue Creighton G handle. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.